Hi, good evening, everyone, and how's the day? So today is another day of what you will learn while coding, and I'm sorry for the delay. Of I said I'm going to release um, e-commerce web application, full stack e-commerce website, just like Amazon on Monday, but I've been busy and all. All right, so today I'm gonna explain, and the purpose of doing this video is, if you get to YouTube, you see a lot of videos on how to build an e-commerce site like Amazon on with React or Redux or any framework or any stuff like or any backend language and all. But then the purpose of doing this video is, I was talking with someone, and the person was, can Nigerians ever be like those people that built all this? Can we ever be better than them, or can we do what they did? All right. So, and some other conversations like, oh, software engineering, has several, you know, there's no money, there's no this and that, there is no, but then one of the things I've observed is we can do what those people are doing. All right, so quick one, let me show you. I told you Amazon, right? So as you can see my screen, this is Amazon website. Okay, this is Amazon website, and Amazon is an e-commerce site where you buy materials, buy any stuff you want to buy, and you pay for it. So we are gonna be doing this in a couple of minutes. We might not finish everything in the whole video, but I'll try as much as possible to make it faster. So like I said, the purpose of this video is to let you understand that we can do what these people are doing seamlessly. You get for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be doing the full stack, like I said, and I'm gonna be doing the back end and the front end alongside. All right, but as a full stack developer, it's better, explain, or you start coding from the back end side. And for my back end, I'm using Node.js. Obviously, I'm a MERN stack developer, and that is a JavaScript developer, and I'm using Node.js for backend. MongoDB, that's MERN M for MongoDB for my database. E for Express.js, R for React, and N for Node.js. So quick one. So this is how Amazon is. So Amazon, so I can click on any items I want to buy. I'll pay for it. So for instance, I click on this item. Okay, so the price and every information is about the item is there. So I can add to carts. So as you can see, so this is basically what we are going to be doing. Don't mind the network is slow. All right, so first let me start with what I have. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna start with the backend, and I created my Node.js, or my folder, for my work folder. And basically, as for Node.js, we start with the server.js. So we start with any, you can create any file, then you connect your database. As you can see, it's connected somewhere. Yes, DB connect here. All right, so this is where the connections were done, and obviously I have my MongoDB .env file already, so it's not to be exposed, because it's not we don't expose your env file, your environment files. All right, so basically this is my app.js, like I said. Then I created the routes for all my routes are here. So I'm gonna take them one after the other. So quick one, I've written the code. After this, you can check the code on my GitHub repo, or I'll send this link shortly, or you'll see it here. So the first route I created was for logins and registration, and I can see that somewhere here. So during the process of registration, name of the, for instance, if you want to buy a product, you can see the product you want to buy. You can even add to carts. but at the point of purchase, you must at least sign up with on the website and all. So this is the registration route, as you can see here, and the password is been hashed. So I can't even see the password exactly from the database. So hash password means like you are encrypting the password so that people cannot see that password. And this is the login, as you can see. Alright, so when I log in, I generate a token. I send the token to the front end. Alright, so because I'm gonna use that in that token to access any page I want to access. So that process is where that's what we created a middleware that handles that. So that's how I have the middleware here. Alright, so back to this. So I created the login route, which is that, and I created the add product route. So this is product. Okay, no, this is the get product or somewhere. Yes. So yeah, post product. So I can post product by the models are here already. So the price of the product, the title of the product, the taglines, the image of the product, the details, and every other information is there. Alright, so and I tested it. Okay, you know what? Let me do that for my post manual. I'm using Insomnia. So this is a particular product. Alright, I want to add a product. So let me call this title of the product. Let's say television. So I want to add a product called television, and I'm to create a short title and a long title of the product. A long title is more like expanding the title of the product. So let's assume I can be specific and say, let's say Samsung television, for instance. Samsung television. I'll describe it. I can just make some description of my product, a little description. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna put some random text, a dummy text, or okay, taglines if I have any taglines, and if I don't have, I'll leave that. Discounts. Is there any discount on that product? Let me use 25% discount. Okay. Price. What's the price of the product? Obviously in naira. So let me just say 20,000. Is it the cost of the product? So this is the difference in price. How would I call it? You know, we call it the old price, like the general price, and so that is. But anyhow you want to call it in your schema, it's your choice. So let's assume the general price is 20,000, and we are selling ours for 18,000, for instance. So on that price, what is the discount on that price? Okay, so you can just put a random figure, and the image of the product. So for my image, and I don't have to bother doing all this because we can get our mock data from mockaro.com. So mockaro.com gives us our data, and okay, I'll come back there, but let me continue. So mockaro.com, we have several websites where you can get dummy data or dummy JSON files, or let me use the word mock data. Alright, so I prefer using mockaro.com because they give me in Excel in different formats. Either I want to get it in Excel format. Alright, so I want to get a picture of a television now somewhere in because I don't forget, for the sake of this, I'm not gonna be uploading I'm supposed to upload the picture using my multi-part form, and upload it to my S3 bucket, which is my Cloudinary. But for the sake of the purpose of the video is not basically for that, so I can just copy a mock data, but it's still going to the database, obviously. So let me go to where I can get pictures of television. For instance, picture of televisions. But don't forget, you would have had those data already post, or what you want to do already on your you'll have had them already in your phone, on your device already. So you just have to upload it to the either Cloudinary or AWS. So, but basically, I love using AWS. So this is a particular image. Let me copy this image and save it. It's gonna bring it out. Okay, no, I'm not gonna use this image. So let me use. Where can I see free image from? Oh, on Splash. Is on Splash going to give me the image I want? So let me try on Splash and search for television. Okay. So it's coming up. Alright, so I'm just gonna take any one that I can. So I can copy this URL of the picture, and this is where I have the image URL. For my detailed URL, detailed contents, I'm supposed to get a dummy data also. I can also get that from, I think, dummy.com. There are several on websites for getting all those things. I've created all of those things for us. So if I run this, I'm gonna run this this post. I want to create a product and use. Okay, currently for my database, I already have I created like the database called ecom, or like a short form for e-commerce. Then I have 6 products here currently. So if I upload this, it should make it 7. So let me post this. Alright, so I've posted this, and let me check my database.
When are you coming tomorrow?
What is it?
When are you coming tomorrow?
I'm not sure.
I'm very well.
Okay.
Please wait.
Let me pause this. You're going on now, okay? No, honestly, I can keep it under that place. I can keep it under here. Yeah.
When you can just look around and nobody will. No. I'm supposed to go with the pizza.
Okay. Okay, what if I leave before the key? Should I give her the key?
No, she has gone now.
She has not gone, no?
Don't give her the key, she'll come late.
Okay. Okay, you're supposed to go with it, Abby. Yeah, let me go now. I'll continue this. Let me go now. I'll not even want to. This does not even stop.